Hi friend, please subscribe my channel. Dell XPS 9560 15.6 FHD InfinityEdge display, Intel Core i7-7700HQX4 2.8 GHz 8GB 256GB SSD, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Silver, certified refurbished. This certified refurbished product is tested and certified to look and work like new. The refurbishing process includes functionality testing, basic cleaning, inspection, and repackaging. The product ships with all relevant accessories, a minimum 90-day warranty, and may arrive in a generic box. Intel Core i7-7700HQ 2.8 GHz, 256GB SSD, 8GB DDR4. 15.6 LED display, 1920x 1080, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 graphics. 802.11 AC. Bluetooth 4.1, Microsoft Windows 10 Home. Backlit keyboard, no optical drive, 8 hours battery life.